I am so excited that you guys are here today. You get to see a transformation of this little boy's bedroom and his playroom. He is one lucky little boy, and this outdated and older bedroom went to a beautiful, super functional bedroom for him, as well as his playroom area where he can now actually grow into this space with his friends. So thanks for being here. Sit back and get comfy from your home as we invite you to our Free Spirit Designs Little Boy's Bedroom and Playroom Transformation. Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome back. Or welcome if today is your first time on the channel. My name is Victoria, and today is a very exciting day for one very lucky little boy who is getting 2 room makeovers. Total surprise to him. So be sure to stay all the way to the end so you can see his reaction, and I am so excited. We are doing a playroom, which is turning into like a big boy hangout room, and his bedroom will also turn into, like, literally he still has his changing table in his room currently, which we just moved out. So thank you for being here. If you love all things related to home, you are in a great place. So please consider hitting that subscribe button. And again, if you're back, I'm so thankful for you. Get comfy from your home as we invite you in and behind the scenes at Free Spirit Designs as we complete a design install today from start to finish. Multiple days have gone into this. The family is away on vacation, so we have been able to come every day. You're gonna see all the things. My husband, especially Scott, you'll meet him today. He has been working really hard getting the rooms painted and beautiful wood detail that I can't wait to share. But to start, Tandy and I, that's my team member that's with me and friend today. Yay, Sandy. She's gonna help me, and we're gonna start unboxing all the happy things. So we decided that we didn't want that silly closet door anymore because this is gonna be for games. You'll see the beautiful shelves that are getting hung. So instead, Scott took the door off, and we're just gonna trim around it so that he can go in and out without having to close the door. How do you like ironing, Tandy?
It's so much. It's like a steam face wash.
Yeah, right? She's getting a facial on install. So normally on install, Scott is the one assembling things, but as you've seen, he's still working on all the wood detail and the closet and, you know, doing things that Candy and I guess we could do them, but we're not. Anyway, I probably recommend reading directions. I don't read instructions at all, but it probably could have saved me when I assembled that desk chair earlier. Yeah, that was not fun. And this basketball hoop, again, not fun. I figured it out, but I guess when in doubt, read the directions. And it makes me really thankful for my husband that normally I just get to do the pretty stuff, like make the bed and, you know, I'm fine unboxing things and whatnot, but because Scott's doing that heavy lifting, I have to figure out how to assemble stuff. Tandy and I are going to attempt the bookshelf together. That should be amazing. Oh, and an air hockey table. Guys, we probably should read the instructions. Let's check on Scott.
I need to check on Scott.
Honey, looks amazing.
I know, because I do amazing work.
Yeah, it's so good. All the finished work. That's the important part. Because without the finished work, well, it's not finished. But it's really what makes it look so amazing. And you can see it's dark outside. Whenever you're hanging a wood detail like this, where you have gaps with the shadows, you want to paint the back of the wall a dark color so that you don't see the light color on the wall behind it. This is the playroom. So as you can see, it just needs a final coat. And then this door trim needs Pro Classic paint, as well as inside the trim that you can see. And this closet needs to be painted the same light color as the gray walls. Sandy, how do you feel about install?
I feel like these are so comfy.
Oh my gosh, we're closing in. Scott's in the closet. Tandy did this beautiful finish work today on this wall. The closet is also done, painted. Scott, how do you feel about install?
Awesome. Perfect.
So the only other finish work that needs to be done that Scott won't be able to do because he has to go buy it in the morning, you're gonna need to hit all of these. You'll just need to hit those holes.
And then one more coat of polyurethane on there with sponge.
Guys, you notice it's still, well, it's dark outside. This job we have been doing all week while the clients are away on vacation. They're gonna come home to a beautiful surprise. Well, I mean, of course, the parents know about the surprise, but the son does not. Right, there it is. If we can slide it, this is not a normal install. Okay, this is where the bed is gonna go, tucked all the way against the corner. The dresser part is on this end, and the loft bed. I actually have never seen a child with so many hats. This little boy loves some baseball and sports, and I was really thankful for this hat rack because I tried to shop a new one, couldn't find one as great as that one. So here's a look at the before. He loves reading, so that was really important that we make sure we get bookshelves so that he can continue to read. As you see, his changing table and all the things. And here is the beauty after. I was really impressed with this Pottery Barn loft bed. Super substantial, solid wood. There's also a dresser at the foot of the bed, which is amazing. And I found those bookshelves on Wayfair. I was able to find that little guy at Pottery Barn as well. And then he had, like I said, tons of books. I didn't have to buy a whole lot of accessories. I still did purchase some accessories locally. Home Goods, Target, all the fun stores like that. But I really hope that he loves all of this fun space. Here's a look at the playroom before. That closet can function a lot better, and you will see we added lots of shelves. And his parents really wanted him to be able to study and work in his bedroom where it's more quiet and focused, so that this room could become the fun hangout space. Those beanbags were amazing. They are amazing, which is why we kept them. And I do love how the wood detail turned out. I did end up peeling the stickers off the TV. I forgot to do that before I did this recording, but I love the draperies and the fun table. I'm very proud of myself. I actually did assemble that, but I did read the directions because I was not taking the chance on that guy. As you can see, Rylan is a really great athlete, loves sports, and I hope that he will enjoy this space with his friends for many, many years to come.
A whole new closet. Table too.
Thank you guys.